Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed and I am a machine learning engineer. I have been working in this field for the past few years and have strong experience in Python, machine learning and agentic AI domain, the technologies behind modern chatbots and AI applications. For the past 2 years, I have been helping students and professionals to learn and grow in these technologies. The response from my students are the real motivation for me to continuously improve my teaching skills. If you are also interested in building chatbots, AI agents, or wants to learn Python and machine learning from scratch, I am here to help you in all of these stages. In my classes, I will not only teach you the science behind all of these things, but we will also work on the real world projects so you will get to know how to apply these things in the real cases. Whether you are just a beginner or wants to level up your skills, feel free to reach out, book your lesson today, and let's start learning together.